So this is what it will look like when you take it out of the box. And first you want to choose your language, and you can connect to either the QR code or go to that link, and then you hit I understand. And then you can proceed to connect. I'm not going to connect at this moment because I want to go through this with you. So I hit do not connect, and I can do it later. So hit OK. Now you can download, it's called Creators app, and then you can connect it if you don't have an iPhone. And you can set the area, the date, the time, and you can pick your location. You see, has all of these locations, and just pick yours. I'm just going to pick the New York, and then you can pick the type of your date if you want it to be, month, day, year. And then you can go, actually I could have went the other way because we're now in November and today is the 16th, 2024. No, it's not AM. It's actually PM. Now, if there are other things that you want to change, you can go and change your settings. So we want the HD setting. Media. You see, has the apertures. So you get to go through this and determine which one you want to do. Go back to the memory. Shutter silent. And this intelligent auto, a lot of times you'll have this depending on if you're going outside or staying inside, you can change it. And this is normally if you're a little bit more advanced. If not, then I would just leave it. But you saw all of the different. So now you see the shutter / silent. This should be off. This is so you can hear the sounds. You know, when you click record, you want to be able to hear the sound. Let's see. You want to keep this active because you want the camera to remain stabilized. And grid line, you want that to be on. So let's go to exposure, color and tone. I think if you go through this and choose which one is for you, you know, you see the different fade, saturation, clarity. I think it's important to pick what's important for you. Click OK. They have something called the soft skin effect, mid, low, and high. I pretty much like the way my pictures look already, so I probably won't change this, or I'll probably turn it off. Creative look. Exposure, you can have it on, auto, ISO, auto. Focus area. So a lot of these, it really depends on how you're trying to, what you're looking for. If you have a lot of experience, then you probably already know. Has a language, but basically what I'm going to do is just, you know, keep it at the basics just to see how it works since it's new, and then I'll start changing it. They do have a way so you can connect to your phone. See, they're global. It has smartphone connect. And the app that I told you about earlier, this is how you would connect it. You would hit OK. So I just suggest that you go through and play with the phone, with the camera. You can edit, rotate. See, there aren't any pictures in here yet, so it has a Wi-Fi. Then there's a Bluetooth, so you can pair your Bluetooth remote if you have one, you can just get I'll attach the one that I'm going to get that I didn't get yet. So it's so much easier. You don't have to be right next to the camera, and you can click the remote, and there you go. So I'm just going to continue playing with this and setting up the camera so I can start using it. I'm excited, and you guys will get to see what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching.